We'll guide you through how to create a user account in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps multiple people go and use your computer, so you want people to have different accounts, because then they can go and have their own separate files, and they can just use their account to their liking. As it can get annoying because they may have apps they want, which you don't want on your account, so it just makes life much easier being able to go and do this. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. So what you need to do is come down to the middle at the bottom and find the Windows Start button. Tap there, you'll go and get this pop up. In here, you need to go and find the option for settings. If you can't see it pinned, you can just press search at the top and type in settings and open it up like so. Here we are. Next, you need to go over to the left and you can go and find the option for accounts and you can go and click there. In accounts, you need to go and scroll down. And what you need to do is go and find the option for other users and click there. Now you're going to go and see the different users here. We can go over to the right and you can go and press add account. Now it's going to go and ask you to go and sign in. So this person can go and enter in the email address or phone number. But if you don't have the information, you can press that here. And if you want to go and add them as just a normal local account, which isn't linked to a Microsoft account, you can press that as well. So now what's going to happen is we go and say just a moment, be patient. They're going to be asked to go and create a Microsoft account. But what you can do is go and press add a user without a Microsoft account. So this will just be a local account on the computer, PC or laptop. So press that there. Give them a name. So I could go and name this video. Then you need to go and give them a password. They may want to go and enter this so you don't know it to go and keep it safe. So we'll just go and do an example one. And then what needs to be done is a security question needs to go and be answered. So I'll go and type them in now. And then I'll go and complete this. With that entered, go and press next. And like that, it's now been added. So now when you go and log out of this account, you can go and switch to that account, or you can press the Windows button at the bottom, press on the account here, and then you can press the three dots and it'll go and appear there and it can then be switched to. So that's it. That is how you can go and create accounts in Windows 11. If you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more to come and there's a lot more on the channel you can go and check out as well. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching.